Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to wirelessly connect and pair your PS4 controller. So if you lost like the micro USB cable that came with it and you want to connect something, just use your TV remote. Most TVs nowadays have HDMI CDC, which allows you to control your PlayStation 4 with the TV remote. And then we can wirelessly pair this by going to Settings, go down to Devices, then go to Bluetooth devices. Now hold down the share button and the PlayStation button at the same time when the controller is turned off, and this will put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So the light is going to blink on the back here. Let's go ahead and do that. So the controller has to be turned off, so you have to hold down the PlayStation button. And if we hold this down for about 13 seconds, the light will turn off. And when it's turned off, we can put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. Alright, so let's hold down the share button and the PlayStation button now. And the light is going to blink. And it will show up under this list on the bottom. Just use your TV remote and select it. And then you should be able to pair it back up to your PlayStation 4. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.